Citizen Machinery UK supplies bar turning machines from 1mm all the way up to 80mm. Citizen Machinery focuses on any industry, all the way from fasteners up to aerospace, medical parts. The best way of describing it is anything in your day-to-day life you touch has probably been made on a Citizen machine. We have machines that go from 1mm all the way up to 80mm. The 1mm machine, our R04, is really designed for the watch industry, and that's where Citizen really started, was the watches. So then we'll step up to our L range, which is just designed to make parts as quick as possible and as efficiency as possible. And then we start going up to our M32, and then we'll go into our Mianos, which start at 42mm and end at 80mm. We've always been at the front of the technology. So our latest technology is LF3, low frequency vibration. So we can program a length of chip for process security, overnight running. You know, you're not going to have birds nesting of swarf building up in the machine. Basically what that is programmable chip control. Citizen Machinery has been trying to make the machines more efficient, mainly focusing on power consumption. Another feature what they've been doing is reducing the air consumption. So Citizen have reduced the power consumption on the new generations of machine by up to 60%. And this includes the air blast, so like if you've got a spindle wash, or the air shielding, it's pulsed. So the air is not on for as long anymore. We can offer a solution for waste management. Oil is extremely expensive these days, especially for sliding heads, because we have to run them on neat oil. So we can offer the Wogaard Oil Saver, which collects the oil out of the swarf bin and automatically puts it back into the machine, which saves everybody a lot of time and a lot of money. And I would probably say up to 75% of our customers will buy this with the machine. So if you think you've got a part that's unmachinable and will fit with inside the capacity of our machines, please get in touch and we'll help find the solution.